So curiosity started talking to me, and I did some digging. I'm on a road trip today to meet the truck's third owner and reunite it with its missing pieces. The truck's been here before, but I haven't. Not even the guy I bought it from knew it used to have a topper. Yeah, you can't see anything out of the back of it, but I still got my side mirrors. I'm about to begin the trek back home. This thing is actually in pretty decent shape. And I got the matching fifth wheel as well. Still latches. Paint somewhat matches. A bit dirty, but I'm liking it so far. Definitely a unique view from the window here. And this is like an opening. And I'm not sure if these windows close, but I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Here we go. So we survived a 2.5-hour round trip, and I really like this thing so far. I mean, it's better than I thought it was going to be. I'm not really a fan of toppers because I think they're kind of pointless because they just turn a truck into an SUV that has a wall between you and the cargo area. So I don't really see the appeal of them. But I wanted to get this one because it is the original topper to this truck. From 1987, this truck came from the factory with this topper. They've been separated for who knows how long, and I tracked it down and went to get it off of the old owner, and the paint surprisingly matches pretty nicely. It's very 80s looking. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. This thing, it's like getting a new car almost. It's like getting half of a new vehicle. I didn't even know this truck had a topper until a couple days ago. Aside from the plastic back window here having literally zero visibility, the latch, it still latches, which is impressive. And although we're missing one of the struts, the one over there still works mostly. And looking around in here, it is a bit moldy, but I think we can pressure wash this maybe. We've got some minor tears in the screen here, but these windows, like, they open up. This is almost like a livable space. I don't even know what to say. This is amazing. So let's climb in here. Yeah, that'll slam shut behind me. It simply bolts to the bed rails with 4 of these. And, oh yes, he also had a liner. I'm not sure if you noticed. This is a plastic bed liner that I guess also came original with this truck. So this was like a decently optioned vehicle considering all this stuff. Let's see what we got here. These are not the original wheels, but this is a matching wheel. And it has the same matching tire on it, but unused. So that's going to be nice to have. I'm probably just going to leave it in here. I do have the other strut for it, but it's like it's seized. It won't move. So these things are pretty universal, though. I'm just going to get another one of those and put it on there. You just pop onto these ball pivots with a screwdriver. Like, I could sleep in this. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is... It's a 7-foot bed, so there's plenty of room to lay down. I essentially just turned this truck into like a livable thing, which is pretty awesome if you think about it. Let's see if I don't know if this... No, there's broken glass up in here. So I doubt this has any function. I don't know. Oh, well, yeah, look at this. There's a separate glass piece right there. It might just be stuck open. So I bet this side, I bet it was a 2-piece window. This side broke, and this side is stuck open, but that doesn't really bother me because we still got this to separate it from the cab. And well, I'm not really too concerned about weather getting in here, although it will get wet in here when it rains, but it's not going to be, you know, a downpour like it would have been with just an empty bed. So and there we go. I'm impressed. How rare are factory toppers? They're so rare that nobody knows how rare they are. To have a topper on a Comanche is not unheard of, but to have an original one, that's something I reckon very few people can claim.
Oh yeah. Alright,
The wind tunnel in there.
yeah. Solid.
Honestly, there's not much else to put in the video. I got a topper for it, a bed liner, and a matching fifth wheel. And that's all. At least the truck is now entirely together, as it unfortunately fades away to the Wisconsin rust.
Scarless Comanche there,